بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب زدني علما.
Okay, so we got a question, we got a sample question here based on IP addressing, where let's say if you're using private IP addresses, what are the scenarios where we use? So generally we know the private addresses are used within your company network, and these addresses are not recognized to the internet. So which means if you're trying to connect this with a internal host trying to connect to external resources, we don't use this. And of course, the host which will communicate only with internal host, of course we can use, but not to the external source. So this can be the correct answer. And again, we cannot use this on any interface facing towards the internet or a firewall. Like you have a firewall which is facing to the service provider. Let's say there's a firewall. You should not use the private IP here as well. But we can use for the host which has minimum access to external resources, like in the LAN. We'll be using this because the LAN do not have access to the external resources directly. Of course, when you're sending them, we can also translate that with the NAT concepts which we discussed. Okay, in the NAT concepts basically. And finally, so this is your right answers as you can see there. But again, you need to figure out the wrong answers as well, like to allow the host in the enterprise network to communicate in both the directions, host outside as well. Not correct, because private addresses cannot be used to communicate with outside the enterprise. Outer enterprise means internet or any other company network, because there might be an overlapping of those addresses even if you are trying to communicate with another company.